going on YouTube? Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of 3 cases from a company named Jasbon. Alright, now the 3 cases are going to be 2 for the iPhone XS Max and 1 for the iPhone XR. So the first one we're going to do is Jasbon iPhone case for the iPhone XS Max. Now it's a soft TPU slim fit case. You can get it on Amazon.com and it's going to run you the low $12.99. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in gold, red, and black. All right, so let me open it up real quick and then we'll get into it and I'll tell you a little bit of the details about it. So you get, let's see, little card in there, and this is what the case looks like. This little thing there. So this is what it looks like. So let me tell you a little bit about the case and then we'll give it a look. Now it says it has premium German TPU material. That's what it's made of. Crystal clear, non-yellow, soft touch, shock absorbing material, precise cutouts, lightweight, thin. It has micro dot design that ensures no bubbles or wetness between the back of the phone and the case, and it is wireless charging compatible. So let's check this out real quick. So it's a clear back, so you're going to be able to see your nice, beautiful back of your iPhone XS Max. Now it's TPU, so it's bendable, you know what I mean? You got the cutout right there for your silent button, volume up and down. We got your power button there, your camera cutout, speaker grills on both sides, and your lightning port cutout. Alright, so that's what this looks like. Slap it on there real quick and let's give it a look. Got the iPhone XS Max in that gold. Let's check these golds against each other. Y'all might not be able to see it through the camera, but I mean they pretty close. They're pretty close in color. I like it. Alright, so here we go. This is what it looks like, and that right there is a masterpiece. That right there looks real nice. I love to show off the back. The cases that I be wearing, some of them, you know, they have different backs on them, so you don't get to see that gold back of the phone. You know what I mean? I don't bust that gold out too often, but when I do, you know what I mean, it's a beautiful sight. But you got a little camera protection. You know what I mean? Right there, you got a little lip, just a little lip. You know what I mean? You ain't got no Steve Harveys, but you got a little lip. You know what I mean? So that's looking real good. The power button on and off is working. Volume buttons nice and spongy, give you a little feedback. You know what I mean? So you know those buttons are working. See the cutouts on the bottom for the speaker grills and the lightning port look like they're official as well. You can get to your silent button if you need to you know what I mean, quick mute that phone or put your notification sounds back on. So all in all, this is a pretty decent case. Let's get into the next one. Now this next one is a liquid silicone case with a full screen protector. That's what it comes with. Get it on Amazon.com and you can get it for the low of $15.99. Now if you're not an Amazon shopper, then definitely check out that website right there, jasbon.store, and you can buy these same products on that website. All right, now this case right here comes in 8 different color options. You can get it in yellow, black, red, lavender purple, matcha green, rose red, sand pink, and transparent. Let's open this up real quick and then I'll tell you the rest of the details as we go. Nothing else in there. And this is what you get. So this is the stuff for your screen protector. I already have a privacy protector on my phone, so I'm not going to be using that right now. Get some other stuff in there, a manual, and then you got your screen protector right here. You don't want to crack that, but you got your screen protector right there. So right here you have nice little kind of furry, fuzzy material. You know what I mean, like grandma's knitted sweater. You got a Jasbon logo printed right there. Soft case, rubber case, you know what I mean, so you got a little bit of give to it. Camera cutout, you got your silent button cutout, volumes up and down, your power button right there, speaker grill cutouts on both sides, and you have your lightning port cutout. So let me give you the details on this case. It is impact resistant, easy to clean, soft touch, anti-slip, never fades. They say this case will never fade on you. Now, you know, some of them cases you get that little yellow fade and all that. This will never fade. That's what they say. And it is resistant to fingerprint smudges. Now you see, I fingered it all up and you don't see anything on there. Different from this one, I just broke it out and you can see fingerprints all over it. Alright, so if you don't want that fingerprint to be all over your phone, definitely this would be an option. Okay, now it has precise cutouts and it is supporting wireless charging. So let's slap this one on real quick. Take this off. Oh yeah, that's easy to put on and easy to take off as well. I forgot to do that. And right there, that's easy to install. Check it out as far as how to take it off. Hit them corners, boom, and it's coming off. I'm not going to take it all off because then I have to put it back on. But real easy to take on, to put on, easy to take off. Let's check out the phone in this case. So real nice look. Got a nice feel to it. I like that feel. It's kind of got that non-slip feel to it. You know what I mean? Like you hold it in your hand, you get a little bit of grip to it. So I like that. Look at that cut. Look at that duck off right there. It's a little bit of lip. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna call it Steve Harvey. I'm not gonna give you the Steve Harvey, but you know what I mean. You got a little bit of lip on there. Buttons. Nice little feedback on that power button. I like that. And pulled up my debit card. I'm gonna have to edit that out. But nice little feedback on the power button. Volume up and down. Nice little feedback. Easy to get to the mute button and to turn that on and off. Cutouts for your speaker grills look good, and your lightning port cutout is accurate as well. So I mean, this feels really good. Different feel from this case. This one being more flimsy, not really as protective, but pretty decent. Both of these I wouldn't say are great at protecting. You got a little bit of lip on this one on the front, just a little bit, not a lot. You know what I mean? So a front face drop, you might you know, in game your stuff, your phone, and you know, you gotta snap it and bring it back, you know what I mean? But not bad, you know what I mean, as far as protection, but it's definitely not one of the top. It's not a phone that I would get for somebody who breaks phones a lot. Now, as far as lip protection on here for the front, definitely seem like it's flowing, just a flush look right here, straight across. So you're not going to really get front face protection. So if you drop it on the face, game over. As Jigsaw would say, game over. But so definitely watch those drops. You wouldn't want to give this to a person who is clumsy either. And the last case that I'm going to review for Jasbon is anti-scratch soft TPU case for the iPhone XR. You get this on Amazon.com, and it's going to run you the low of $11.99. Word. Now it comes in 5 colors. You can get it in red, black, silver, gold, and rose gold. And we're going to open it up, and then I'm going to get into the details. I'm going to let y'all know what it's hitting for. Bust that out. There we go. Plastic is trash. And oh, got a little strap. There we go. Get him out of there. Alright, so this is what the case looks like. Let me give you some details about it, and then we're gonna get out of here. Alright, so it has flexible TPU, anti-scratch, anti-yellow, precise cutouts, enhanced camera protection, which means they saying it has a raised lip, wireless charging support, and stylish electroplating frame design with bumper frame. So let's check out the case. Cutouts for your camera, cutout for your silent button, up and down volume, and you got your power button right there. You got your cutouts for your speaker grills and your cutout for your lightning port. Now this is a flexible TPU case, and it's similar to this one right here. So these will probably be more compatible than the other case that is more rubberized. So let's break out the iPhone XR. Now I got it in red. This is the product red, and let's check out how close these colors are. They're a little shade off, but this is more like the bezel on this is a little bit more with frame or whatever. It seems more matte finish, to where this is more of a glossy finish. You know what I mean? Clear case, so you're gonna get to see that back on the phone. You know what I mean? You're definitely gonna get to see that and show off your phone if that's what you choose to do. But let's put it on there and see how it fits. And that's like a glove right there. You see the back of that phone. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's try taking it off. Real easy to take off, easy to install, no problems that you're gonna have with that. So see your cutouts for your speaker grills are good. Cutout for your lightning port is good. Your power button, spongy, and then your volume up and down works, and your mute button works as well. Now look at that. Let's check out the camera, which they say it has enhanced camera protection, and I don't know about that. I mean, I think the camera's like right there on the edge. You know what I mean? So it's not really protected. Now maybe, you know, if you get a backdrop on it, you might be good depending on how it would land. If it landed flat like that, you might be good. I don't know. If you drop it and it hits something around the camera area, it might, you know, be safe. It might not be. I really can't judge it right now. As far as front face protection goes, it's kind of flush. To me, I don't think that this is like really a protective case as far for as front face drops go as well. So if you got a clumsy person that this, you know, got the iPhone XR, this might not be the case that you want, because you're not going to be protected if they fumble it and drop it. But all in all, these are some pretty nice cases, and they actually have more lineup. You know what I mean? They got more cases in the lineup. So if you want to go check them out, definitely search them on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description for all three of these cases, and check out their website too, which is what Jasbon store, Jasbon.store. You know what I mean? So check out their store. Check them out on Amazon. And if you're in the market for a nicely designed case that's not going to break the bank, check one of these out. But it's Urban Tech Reviews. If this video helped you in any way, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you want to see more of my reviews, then you can do that by clicking the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you want to be notified when I upload a new review, make sure to click the bell notifications. To follow me on all my social media sites, just click those links in the description. And we out.